Papa. Give your hand to Papa.
Thank you.
Yeah, this way. What's your name? Happy. How are you? 4 years old. Okay, same with Monique, yeah? Happy, look at Papa. Just stay, okay? Look at Papa and just stay. Don't move, okay? Don't make any sound. Alright, let's go, Montana. Another 4 years old. Alright, hey! Oh, Raka. For you.
It's okay, come.
What happened? You lost a lot of your hair? No, I'm just kidding. You're right. Okay, big applause please for Happy. Thank you so much. High five. Yay! You can go back to Papa.
Thank you very much. Thank you. You like it?
Semangat banget
You like
yang
it?
terakhir ya.